Hi dear friends, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. I'm ready to review the July Potomacbeads Treasury bags. These are all the products that are in these bags. So we are going to go ahead and take a look at them. So we have these bicone beads in black diamond color. We also received some 3mm check glass round. We have these check glass saucer rondelle beads and they're opaque red. Look at how pretty these beads are. And these are check paisley discs. These are beautiful. We also receive a cranberry 6mm pearl. We have these lobster figure 8 19mm premium 20K gold plating. We received these nugget beads and jet topaz. They are 6mm. We also received check facet round beads and they're 4mm. We received this Potomac crystal rondelle and they're 3x4mm. You can see how shiny these are. We received these curved tubes and then 10x2mm and they're premium 99.9 pure silver plated. We also received this beautiful clasp. This clasp is really pretty. Look at the crystal in the center. We received some Miyuki seed beads in the Duracoat galvanized and these are 11/0. We have this jet matte geometric design and it's 1 strand. Look at these hearts. They're crystal AB. They are so pretty. Look at the colors. We also received these disco balls and theirs are 6mm. We have check glass 3mm round. And finally we got these 4mm beads and these are jaspers. So I shouldn't say this, but so far this is my favorite treasure bags. So we are going to be making some fun projects. I already have something in my mind. So I hope you guys like this tutorial and don't forget to visit the Potomacbeads.com. And get ready for the new project that is coming really soon. Until next time.